Hello guys, Mamisha here again. For today's video, let me share with you our simple yet special kind of Sunday. So ayun na nga, dumating na kami sa National Shrine of Our Lady of La Salette in Silang, Cavite. Pagdating nga namin sa shrine, sakto, naabutan namin yung 12 noon mass, and kahit tanghali, hindi mainit dahil sa mga puno at malawak na space. Ang daming pamilya na present, you can really feel na this is a place na pang family bonding na rin, hindi lang pang spiritual. And during the mass nga, ang solemn ng atmosphere, you can hear the choir beautifully singing, tapos yung design ng altar, simple pero very inspiring, ramdam mo yung pagiging sacred ng lugar. And since family nga kami, it feels nice to start the day offering prayers together. And after mass nga, namasyal-masyal muna kami dito sa shrine, and sobrang nagandahan kami sa place. The place is surrounded by lots of trees, greenery, at may malakas yung nature na vibe. Ang ganda ng ambience niya, ang tahimik pero lively at the same time. Kahit maraming taong nagsisimba at namamasyal, napaka-peaceful pa rin. At meron ka rin mapapasyala na merong mga way of the cross. You can offer a simple prayer, and meron din yung station ng La Salette dyan. And after mass nga, plan sana namin mag-drive papuntang Tagaytay para mag-picnic doon. Pero habang naglalakad nga kami sa paligid ng La Salette, napapansin namin sa playground or sa picnic grounds, maraming family na naglalatag ng mga banig, and may dala-dala rin silang mga food and enjoying their own bonding time. Ang saya tingnan kasi after mass, lahat nagsishift to quality time. So we decided nga, why not dito na lang kami kumain. So hindi na kailangan bumiyahe at sakto-sakto lunchtime na rin. And ayun, nakahanap na kami ng spot na medyo shaded, na puno, presko yung hangin at tahimik ang paligid, perfect for us. Nilabas nga namin yung dala naming simple baon, and ready na ang aming family picnic. Simple lang naman yung aming baon, hard-boiled eggs, spam, fried rice at tubig. Pero alam nyo ba, kahit basic lang yung food namin, ang sarap kainin kasi ibang level yung experience kapag nature yung kasama at buong pamilya ang kasama mo. Hindi naman kailangan bongga para magiging masaya. Sakto lang ang weather, hindi mainit, and ang sarap mag-relax at kumain. And syempre, dahil nga nasa outdoor tayo at sa church, kailangan magiging mindful din tayo sa ating mga kalat. Lagi tayong clay go. And habang kumakain nga kami, nakikita namin yung ibang family na parang pare-pareho lang, nagchichikahan, tawanan. Yung iba may dalang mga bata na tumatakbo-takbo sa paligid. Nakakatuwa kasi ramdam mo na yung place is really designed for both faith and family bonding. It's like hitting two birds with one stone, spiritual nourishment plus family connection nga. And mag-enjoy talaga yung family. Ayan, nabusog na nga si Aina sa pagkain. And after nga namin kumain, syempre picture time kami. Ang daming magagandang spot sa paligid. May mga garden areas, open fields, tapos yung background ng puno ng simbahan, Instagram worthy talaga. Nakaka-relax din kami. And just appreciating the peaceful environment, yung simpleng kwentuhan habang humihiga sa banig, umuupo, priceless moments na yon. And this day remind me that sometimes hindi mo na kailangan lumayo or gumastos na malaki para maging memorable yung family day. A simple Sunday followed by a picnic with your loved ones is more than enough, and importante, buo kayo, masaya at may quality time together. So ayun guys, that was our kind of Sunday and picnic and a day of family bonding. Happy Sunday! Bye!